Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I have come up with choco chip cookies recipe. In this video, I am going to show you how to make these delicious chocolate chip cookies both in the gas stove as well as in the convection mode in the oven. So let's see how to make this amazing chocolate chip cookies. Ingredients that are needed are 1 cup of wheat flour. I am using wheat flour here instead of maida. A tablespoon of cocoa powder. Half cup of cooking oil. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. To make cookies we do not need baking soda, we only need baking powder. We need half cup of powdered sugar and then a few choco chips. The cookies taste good without choco chips as well. Since I am making choco chip cookies, I am adding choco chips. You can try without choco chips as well. Also, we will need around 2 tablespoons of ghee. Before I make the dough for the cookies, I am greasing the pan for both microwave as well as for the gas stove. I am using an aluminium cake tin to bake my cookies in the gas stove. Okay, now into a mixing bowl, I am adding half cup of cooking oil. Into it, I am adding half cup of powdered sugar. Now with the help of a whisk, I am giving it a good mix. There you go. Our cooking oil and powdered sugar are combined well. Next, I am adding a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Now with the help of a spatula, I am mixing it all together. Next I am adding 1 cup of wheat flour and again mixing it all together. Please note that to make cookies we need a dough-like consistency like chapati dough or so, not cake batter consistency. Now with the help of your hands, you can make a dough out of it. Now I am taking around a tablespoon of ghee in my palm and again continuing to knead it so that we get a well combined dough. I am adding another tablespoon of ghee and again kneading the dough. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and combining it with the dough. Now let's check if our dough holds shape so that we can make our cookies. Yes, our dough is ready, it's holding shape. Now let's prepare for baking. To bake in the gas stove, I have taken a big aluminium vessel, placed a stand inside it and I am closing the lid and preheating for 10 minutes. Now let's make our cookies and place it in our aluminium cake tin. Grease your palm with some ghee or butter. Take some dough in your hand and in the middle of the palm, just press it and give it a shape of a cookie. We also get cookie cutters in the market, but I am doing it without a cookie cutter since most of them do not have cookie cutters. Now I'll be placing some choco chips on top of it because we are making choco chip cookies. I am placing it in the greased pan. Now with the similar process, I am making other set of cookies. There you go. Our first batch of cookies which we'll be making in the gas stove is now ready. After preheating for 10 minutes, I am placing the cookies tin inside, closing the lid and baking in medium flame for around 30 minutes. Now to make cookies in the microwave oven, I am preheating the oven for 10 minutes in convection mode. Now with the similar process as I had shown earlier, I'll be making the next batch of cookies to bake in the oven. There you go. The rest of the cookies are now ready to go into the oven. After preheating for around 10 minutes, I'll be baking these cookies for 30 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius in the convection mode. Let's check the cookies which we are baking in the gas stove. After 30 minutes, we can see that our cookies are perfectly baked. It's time to take it out of the vessel. Let it completely cool down. After 30 minutes, let's check our cookies which are baked in the oven. Let it completely cool down. There you go. Our choco chip cookies are now ready. Both the batch of the cookies which are baked in the microwave oven as well as gas stove has been perfectly baked. See the texture. Now let's check the one baked in the microwave oven. Look at this. Both the batches of cookies baked in microwave oven as well as gas stove has come out beautiful. It looks delicious and I cannot wait to eat it. You can store these cookies in an airtight jar. Now that festive season around, you can also gift these cookies to your friends and family. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do let me know in the comment section if you really enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.